guys, I took the lowering kit off the back. So it's back at stock height now. So going with the FXRT style, it's supposed to have a pretty good bit of ground clearance under it and look like it's you know, it's able to cut through canyons and stuff. And with a longer front end, it definitely raises up the bike just a little bit, but I think it'll work for the style, so that should do it. Right guys, got the bike on the jack here, about to start taking off front ends. So we're gonna bust these loose, be able to drop the forks down, loosen these bolts there. This will slide out, and then we'll take out our main thing here. This one has this kind of jam bolt down in here, which is not all the way down in, and then this clamp nut there. So we get all that part, slide everything out, put the new plates on, top plate and bottom plate for the triples, slide the forks back into them, and then it should be set back and essentially look like a stock Electra Glide with just chrome tubes on it and small wheel. Front end pieces, new triples, everything's mounted up. Got the new T-bars on there, and looks even more weird now, but I think it'll work. Alright guys, make sure you check out the website. We've added thousands and thousands of awesome motorcycle parts. We've got apparel on there, we've got extended front forks, fenders, frames, anything you can think of. Check it out.